Hello Newcastle United fans, I bring here another news from the Magpies, but I ask you to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell and stay informed of everything that happens at Newcastle United. So let's get to the video. Today we received updates from the player nominated to join Newcastle United. Recently, the experts suggested that Magpies sign Wilfried Zaha. What is happening is that there are indications for Newcastle United to make an audacious move for Crystal Palace talisman Wilfried Zaha. The idea is that the Ivorian international is potentially a possible replacement for Allan Saint-Maximin at St James Park. Asked if the northeast side should swoop for the Eagles winger, the former England defender stated, "Yes, all day. If I'm Newcastle, I'd buy him straight up. I'll take him and I'd sell Saint-Maximin. Or I'd have them both. He scores more than Saint-Maximin." For all the 25-year-old Allan Saint-Maximin's undisputed talent and creative prowess, that playful talent doesn't always come hand in hand with a final product, with the brilliant forward having scored just 12 goals and provided 16 assists in 93 top-flight games to date. The 5'8" winger's best goal return for the club came last season as he hit 5 goals in 35 league appearances, albeit with that record paling in comparison to the aforementioned Zaha, with the Palace sensation having already scored 6 times in just 12 league games this season.